This thing was sitting for a couple years out in the yard, outside. I'm gonna give her a little shot of starting fluid. Here we go! Yeehaw! We got spark. She wants to run. I'm going to put some fresh gas in it. That's brown. Not good. Sure could use a clean in here. Mercy. So I think I need to pop the carburetor off, clean that real quick. Now this carburetor should just pull out. There we go. And I gotta watch the fuel line here. We got a full tank of gas now. I think this tank just lifts out. And then the linkage. There we go. All right. Let's take this over to the workbench, clean it up. I just dumped that out, and I guess I should have shown you, but it was real brown. So there was old fuel sitting in here, and it's probably clogged up in there. There's the needle. It's got a little rubber tip on it. And that goes right in that groove like that. There we go. Little teeny tiny ports in there that can clog up easy. This is all plastic. Gotta be careful. It's coming apart. There we go. You can see all these little holes in here, how easy that can clog up. That's why I wanted to get this apart. It's a rubber O-ring on here. I want to try to keep the carb cleaner away from the rubber parts. Another rubber O-ring here. So I'm going to take my little twisty tie wire and clean all these out. You can see that's coming through. Good. All clear. Coming through here and all the way down through. Beautiful. Let that dry out a little bit so it's not hard on these gaskets here. Alright, we got this all set. Put this back in. Good. Good. Actually, this pin just snaps in. Good. You want to make sure your needle's still connected to the float. Which it is. Good. I put a little scratch mark on there. You probably saw me do that. So I made sure I put this back in the right way. And it goes like that. There's one there and one there. Line those up, snap this back together. Now this is just plastic, so don't tighten these too tight. You'll just strip the plastic out. Let's go throw it back on, see if it'll run. We've got to get our throttle linkage back in. Good. Actually, that rubber O-ring's got to go in here. And this plastic gasket also goes in there. Snapped in. Now I can slide it in. There we are. Now we got a nice snug fit there. Put the fuel tank back on. I drained it out. I'm going to connect the fuel line first. Turn this clamp around. There we go. And that tank just slides right in there. Take a pliers, put the hose clamp back on. Good. Now I can slide this in, and the breather plugs in to this hose right here. Alright, you don't want to tighten those too tight into the plastic. They'll strip out. Now we can fuel it back up. Try it again. Ah, we're pumping fuel. Beautiful. Good sign. Before it wouldn't push it through. Come on, baby. Everything's set up. We got oil, fuel, primed it. Oh! 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 Ah, hey, 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 hey! Hey! Yee-haw! How about that? We'll throw the filter back on. And we'll make sure she fires right up. She's all set to go. If this video is a help to you, give her a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects. I'm live.